It's currently 10:37 p.m. and it's composition time. Today in Earth Science, I was selected as one of the students who would take the lab exam first. So I only answered one question on my Regents review before my name was called, and me and the other students followed Miss O'Brien to the exam room, which had very large mirrors on the sides, was painted black, and had 3 rows of desks, one for each station, one for each station. I had 9 minutes to do each station at the correct row and following the directions for each. In general, I managed to do this, except at station 1. I had extended time. Everyone did. I added a footnote in there next to the I and I had extended time, which I used mostly to figure out what type of rock that rock Q-5 was. It had no fossils, banding, or gas holes, so it wasn't obviously sedimentary, metamorphic, or igneous. But then I noticed that the rock had small specks that were shiny on a rock that was otherwise completely dull. Since mica crystals, when microscopic, make foilation surfaces shiny, and the whole rock was generally dull, I figured that the rock was metamorphic. And the footnote says everyone did. Let's see, it's 10:40 p.m. Not bad for a Friday composition. Could have been a lot later. Especially with this being the last weekend. 879 subscribers. Okay, here's the heading, then the subscriber update, and then the actual composition. We start by slowly moving up with emphasis on the right side. Oh. You can pause the video to read it. Then we slowly move it up, with emphasis on the left side this time. Slowly enough that you'll be able to read every word when you pause. I seriously recommend pausing. It's the only way you're going to be able to read it. Unless I'm willing to hold the book up for 10 minutes, maybe 20. My arm's already hurt a bit. But I won't put it down just yet. Surprisingly effective at making my arms sore, but they're not sore really. Just a tiny bit. Anyway, composition done.